when our disk is spinning in a computer, something else happens as well with the laser. The laser is guided by something called an optical head. So I'm going to put that here, optical head, and that guides the laser. And what happens is, it guides the laser to follow a spiral path. So from the inside of a CD, if there's a spiral path, imagine this is a laser, the path of the laser, from inside to the outer side. Whoa, my drawing's not very good. But you get the gist. That's the movement of the laser. Now, something else you're going to need to know about how all of this works. And that is this. When the optical head is doing its job of guiding the laser, the data, your zeros and ones, are put into, which is sectors, which is similar to what? You said it. Magnetic storage devices like the hard drive. So the laser, well, it's putting data on, puts it into sectors. So that's a similarity which you need to know to the hard drive. Another similarity to the hard drive, the magnetic storage device, is how close the binary digits are to each other. The closer, the more data can be stored on. And that's the same as a hard drive. The aim is to put as many digits as close as possible together. Now, there are two rules which you need to know in regards to this. Numero uno. When the disk is spinning like this, it's spinning at revolutions per second. That's what we call it, revolutions per second. Now this is spinning at revolutions per second. It's a constant revolution per second. And what happens is this. The outer parts of the CD spin faster than the inner parts. So based on this, inner parts spin faster than, slower than outer parts. The second is something else which is quite important to know, and that is this, and it's to do with development of technology. That technology's got better. How is it that actually nowadays we can fit more data onto an optical storage device like a Blu-ray? So in the olden days, CDs can hold like 250 megabytes. You've got Blu-rays which can hold gigabytes of data. How? One of the reasons is actually what's called the wavelength of the light from the laser. It's how well that wavelength can be controlled and focused. The shorter the wavelength, the more focused the laser. Now, how does that affect disk capacity? Well, old optical storage devices used to use a red infrared laser, which had a shorter wavelength than its new brother, the blue laser. Now if I had a blue pen, let's see if I can get my blue pen out. Great. So the blue has shorter, I did it again. So the blue has shorter wavelength than the red, and blue is modern, it's new, which means shorter wavelength and increased capacity. You can store more data. There you go.